This little FJXLTVON gadget promises a complete input solution in a surprisingly compact form factor. But can a membrane keyboard with an integrated touchpad really deliver a satisfying experience, especially when it's designed to be ready to go? Right out of the box, the FJXLTVON membrane keyboard touchpad feels exactly as its name suggests: ready. There's no fuss, no complicated setup, just a straightforward single-color unit that aims to get you typing and navigating instantly. The most striking thing about it is its size, which is clearly designed to complement devices in that 7 to 10-inch range, making it incredibly portable. It's not a display itself, but rather an input device perfectly scaled for smaller setups or on-the-go use. Now, let's talk about the membrane keyboard. If you're used to mechanical switches, this will be a different experience. The keys are quiet, which is a huge plus for shared spaces or late-night work. The tactile feedback is minimal, as expected from a membrane design, but the keys themselves have a decent travel for what it is. It's not going to win any awards for typing speed or comfort during an all-day coding session, but for quick emails, searching, or controlling a media center, it's perfectly adequate. It feels durable enough for casual use, resisting spills better than some more intricate designs. Integrated right next to the keys is the touchpad. This is where many compact solutions often fall short, but the FJXLTVON's touchpad is surprisingly responsive. It tracks movements smoothly, and while it's not massive, it's large enough to navigate comfortably on a smaller screen. Basic two-finger scrolling worked well in my tests. It's not going to replace a dedicated mouse for precision tasks, but for general navigation, clicking, and dragging, it gets the job done without much frustration. The one-color aspect means you're not getting any fancy backlighting or aesthetic choices, which aligns with its utilitarian, ready-to-go philosophy. It's a no-frills device, focused purely on function. The manufacturer, FJXLTVON, might not be a household name, but they've put together a functional piece of kit here. It feels like a practical tool for specific scenarios, perhaps for a Raspberry Pi project, a mini PC, or even as a backup keyboard for a tablet when you need more than just the on-screen option. It's not trying to be a premium peripheral, and that's okay. What it is trying to be is a reliable, compact, and immediate input solution, and in that regard, it largely succeeds. You won't be blown away by its features, but you'll appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness for its intended purpose. Verdict: the FJXLTVON membrane keyboard touchpad is a solid, no-nonsense choice for anyone needing a compact, ready-to-go input device. It delivers on its promise of immediate functionality, offering a quiet typing experience and a surprisingly capable touchpad, making it a practical companion for smaller setups where space and simplicity are key.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.